What's up, guys? And today we are playing a game that's called Don't Press the Button. I don't know why there's clouds, and I don't know why it says do not press the button.
Button, we got Mr. Mango and we got me.
You got Michael and Mr. Mango, the greatest trio of all time, guys.
To the youth channel. JT's my friend.
Yes, JT is muted, but
We might add him to the game.
the channel soon.
Wait, what?
Find the button.
I know.
Where's the
I
button?
Guys, don't worry, I got a speed coin. Oh, I found it.
Where is it?
Why can I press it? Oh, you. It's right here. I'm going to press it. Let me press it. JT.
Let me press the button.
Let me press. Wait.
Yes, I found it.
I found it first.
I'll do that. What happens when I press the button?
Because I'm actually a mango and I'm not supposed to be tall, so yeah.
You're
You're
short. You're short. You're really short.
We can't technically, guys. Go on the portal. Go on the portal, guys. If you wanna win, if you kind of wanna win this, here, easily. I just died.
Let's go. Let's go shooting. Ah! I died.
Oh my god! Why did I do that? I just died.
Ooh, I died again.
Wait, I did it! Hey,
Oh,
you
now
cheated.
JT is
Cheated.
shit. Ah! Don't fall in the lava. Ah! Woo! Yes! Woo! This guy's a cheater. This guy sees it as a carpet. Oh! Over here. Oh! Over here. Up here. Up here. Oh! It's challenging. Up here. No! He's dead. He's dead. Mr. Mango's dead. I'm not dying anytime soon. I'm not dying, Mr. Mango. Mr. Mango, no die! I'm not trusting that. What's this? Oh, it's fast step. Another step in the gas. Too low. I see, so the button does random events. I see. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, my father, she like a brother, Bobby sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Why are you so tall? Stop, JT. JT, where are you? Die. JT, gang up on JT. Where's JT? Might be inside the trees, guys. He's a red bacon. We need to find him. Oh, dang it. No! Oh, me. Let's go. Slow and steady. wins the race.
Mr. Mango. Yes. Mr. Mango.
Stop.
Round of applause for Mr. Mango and
Let's go, Mr. Mango. Miguel. Bro, JT didn't win. Jump on the logs to reach the end. I said jump on the logs.
Who needs logs when I got a jetpack? Who needs logs when I got a jetpack? No.
Logs.
Michael, you're such a cheater. I'm done.
Yes.
Michael.
Michael, you're cheating.
No worries, guys. It's totally worth it. It's totally worth it.
It's not worth it to be in a stupid button game.
Guys, I can help you. I'm gonna put up a portal. I'm gonna put
You
up
don't even deserve to be in the videos. What's wrong with you?
a portal.
Well, I'm stuck on this stupid level. I'm stuck on this stupid level.
If you die, go in the portal.
I died.
I did it.
Where's the freaking portal?
Mr. Mango, I made it before you. I know, JJ.
I don't even care. Press the button. I pressed it. Ooh, look at this weird cave. Whatever this is. Ah! My phone fell.
I'm gonna go to the left side of this.
The left side.
Oh
Oh my god. Not this. Beep, 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 beep. Mr. Mango! Mr. Mango! You're a cheater. You're such a cheater. Rat portal. No, I died. Go. Pass. Good. Cheater, pumpkin eater. Exactly. How did I die? God, there's just a pumpkin monster. Oh, I see it. Go. Help me! Help! Man, I'm dead. Who the frick is Gojo? Come over here, Gojo. I have a surprise for you, Gojo. I guess this is the end of the video, guys. I'm stuck in this stupid box.
And I'm still alive for some reason. Oh, I'm dead. Never mind. Wait, I won. No. Somehow.
I see him. He's at the end of the patch, and now he's coming closer to the beginning of the patch.
Is he trying to kill me?
Yes, he's right there.
I see you, JC. No.
Bro's dead. I guess this is the end of the video, guys. We had so much fun. What do you mean one? What do you mean? Run! I'm only rest. Guys, stop! I'm gonna crash into the building. Guys, I'm gonna crash into a building. Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. Bye. Ooh, I crashed.